Required Startup or Expansions Fund tab is where you will detail the costs for your catering company. This is tab 1 in the workbook. Any equipment you will need and more goes here. You will want to enter the specific numbers for your own catering company venture in the yellow cells. Fixed assets are covered, and then operating capital. There are yellow highlights in K28 and K29, those cells where you will enter the amount that you will be investing in the company. If you will be getting a loan, enter that into the yellow cells G34 and G35. Make sure to fill in all your assumptions for interest rate and depreciation in the corresponding yellow cells. Make sure the amount of investment and loan, if any, equal the required funds. So, cell G26 should equal cell G36.